About 5 years ago, I was diagnosed with early stage breast cancer, and I went through chemotherapy and radiation therapy. And it took me about a year before I realized that I really needed help with some of the stiffness in my shoulder and through my rib cage. My overhead range of motion was not good, and whenever I reached behind me, it would send my muscles into spasm. I was not able to sleep very well at night. Anytime I turned over onto that side, it would wake me up, so I was getting interrupted sleep night after night. I'd done a little bit of massage therapy, and I had done all of the exercises and stretches that the doctors wanted me to do to try to counteract the effects of the radiation, and everything just kept getting worse. The stiffness and the pain was getting worse, and my muscles were getting weaker instead of stronger, even though I joined a gym and had been doing that sort of therapy too. I knew there had to be something out there that would help me.
And then you came to the Mettler Center, and Sheila did some examination, and what did she find?
She was pretty stymied at first because my shoulder blade was so locked down, and my muscles, a lot of them were just hard as a rock. So she determined that she had to do some of the MRT to get me going again, which really helped. I had noticed before I came, one of the things I wanted to do at the gym was to use the elliptical machine, and at that time I was only able to go for about 7 minutes, and it wasn't that my legs gave out or anything like that. It was that I didn't have the air capacity to keep going, and after just 1 or 2 treatments with Sheila, I doubled that time. And then from that point, things really progressed steadily. It was slow, but it was steady progression.
Can you tell me now how your function has changed from the treatments you've had?
I can now sleep on my left side. Most nights I fall asleep on that side, so I am sleeping all night now. And then in turn, I'm not thinking about it all day because I'm really not in much pain at all anymore. And one of the things that I really did notice was my breathing just got so much better. And the spasms got less gradually. It's just been, everybody that I've worked with at Mettler has been great. The massage therapists, the physical therapists, they all seem very knowledgeable and willing to try new things and to do what it takes to get a quality of life back, and I really feel like I've got that back now.